Hi guys, Judy Fine here from Online with Judy Fine. I have another vocal exercise for you to try out today. This one is meant to help you practice moving your sound forward in your face when you sing higher. I'll explain more about it. Remember to check out onlinewithjudyfine.com if you're in the market for improving your singing chops, whether you want one-on-one private lessons with me over Zoom or you want to become an online member, singer-athlete member, and have access to all my vocal exercises and my online singing course. All right, stick around and I'll tell you about this exercise. When I was a young singing student, I was often told, place the sound here, throw your voice there. And I always had kind of an aversion to that, and I don't use that phraseology much when I'm teaching. And that's because it seemed kind of ambiguous to me and unscientific. But the truth is, if you focus on a certain part of your body, you are going to activate that part of your body, and there is a benefit to having that kind of mindset. But I want you to use that mindset to turn it into something concrete to remind yourself to do. I'll explain what I mean. If I say to you, throw the sound here, or place your voice here, right behind your nose, in your sinus cavity, the roof of your mouth, that kind of area, it's referred to often as the mask. If you start to think about placing the sound there as you sing, you're probably going to change something in your mouth. You're going to maybe move your lips forward, maybe lift your upper lip, maybe do that inner smile that people talk about. It's going to make you change what you do, and it is going to affect how the sound is delivered. So I am going to tell you to think about the sound moving forward, and I'm going to tell you why too. So a lot of times singers, as they go higher in their range, their voice gets kind of stuck in the back of their throat. And that's because that's where you experience the most vibration, in the lower parts of your range. So there's this movement that goes, as far as the most vibration that you experience, goes from low notes down in your chest, and then as it goes higher, it's more in the back of your throat. And then as you go higher, it's up here in the mask. That's a real experience. And what happens is we're so comfortable in our speaking range that as we go higher, we are still focusing on the back of our throats, even if we don't know we're doing it, because that's what's normal for us. And we're not allowing that vibration to move to the front of our faces. So in this vocal exercise, between the way the notes move and the vowels that you're using, it's going to help you place that sound forward in your face. So not only is this a good strengthening exercise in general, but it's a way for you to practice moving the sound forward, allowing it to move forward as you go higher in your range. It covers an octave. This is key to being sneaky about switching between your head voice and your chest voice. Because I'm allowing the vibration to happen forward as I go up to that highest note, it's easy to switch into my head voice without it being this huge timbral difference, this huge sound difference, I'll say. So the rest of this video is going to be this exercise. You can try it out. Next time you come back to do it again, obviously you don't need to listen to the chat again, although why not? Once you get comfortable with this exercise, you should be able to begin to apply this in all these exercises that I give to you guys. You should be able to start to apply it to your song work. So if you find that you're going higher in a song and it's getting kind of caught in the back of your throat, allow yourself to let the vibration happen forward. Okay, enjoy the exercise. Leave me comments if you have any questions, or reach out to me through onlinewithjudyfine.com. Happy to answer any questions. Enjoy. See you next time.
This exercise is the nasal E-A-ah exercise. When I say nasal, I mean that seriously. This is one that you want to try to feel like you're sending it through your nose. Ladies are going to start here, guys an octave lower. Big ribs, relaxed shoulders. Don't worry about volume. Nice relaxed vowels. Strong ribs. Send it through your nose. worry about volume. Jaw doesn't need to move. Shoulders need to stay relaxed. Strong ribs, relaxed shoulders.